Welcome to the Business Behind the Scene podcast with Francesca Moi, where we talk all about real business problems, real solutions, and getting actual results in your business. Hello and welcome to episode number 214 of Business Behind the Scene. And this month we are focusing on how to build a Rockstar offshore team that runs without you. That is the dream of every business owner. And I wanted to really focus on that because a lot of the time people think and assume that hiring offshore staff equal micromanaging and having to spend more time. So it's just faster if me and my team do it here locally. And it's not like that. So we wanted to talk about that this month. Now, obviously, we are talking in general. This can be added for any business owner, but I'm truly speaking here to e-commerce. If you have a business of e-commerce on 2 million, 4 million plus revenue a year, this podcast episode is for you because we have seen that before. We've seen this for other businesses, and we want to help you really hire superstar VAs. So let's go have a look. Number one, we wanted to share with you how to hire a super VA and who can truly take over and take things off your plate rather than add more things on your plate, right? So we need to go, it isn't just finding someone that can help you with admin, it's finding someone that can be proactive, strategic thinker, someone that can really think before you. And this is something that's hey, it's impossible. FM doesn't work, doesn't exist someone like that. Yes, it does. And it also depends on us and not just about the person. So I wanted to talk about the difference between hiring a standard VA and hiring a super VA. A standard VA is someone that is the task doer, follow instruction, and needs frequent check-in. I mean, we need those in the business as well, right? And then we have the super VA, which is proactive, take ownership, improve system, make decision, and supervise the ones that are the standard VAs, which is also a very important role. So every role is important in the business. Doesn't mean that one person is better than the other. We just need to find A players in each role. And so where to find super VAs? Well, sometimes you can ask referrals. So you can ask other business owners if they virtual assistant have got anybody that you can suggest, or you can find specialized VAs. In this case, us at Empire Virtual Solution, we can help you find super VAs. We have lots of clients that love that. Or you can just go online as well, Upwork, online jobs, LinkedIn, you can find them that way as well. But obviously that is going to then take time because you have to go through a process of hiring, and that obviously takes time. So when you're looking for a super VA, we need to make sure that you understand what to look for. You need to look for someone that is tech savvy, problem solving, leadership ability, detail oriented, and result driven. So it's sort of like a unicorn VA that understands everything needs to be done, but they can supervise and making sure that it happens. So we need to really have a hiring process. So defining the role that you need. And if you come with us, we will help you do all of this stuff as well. Writing a compelling ads job. Again, we will do that for you if you come with us. Test for initiatives. So ask questions and evaluate. In fact, we actually put the VAs through a 4 weeks internship because we test all these things during that time. And we will never pass a VA that hasn't passed our intense training and internship. So whether we can see also the behavioral that happens during those actually working time. And that's where people usually say trial them for 30 days. If you come with us, you don't need to do that because we already done that. We already done the trial, we already see them working. So you don't really have to worry about that. But if you're hiring directly, then you must follow this because if not, you're going to waste a lot of your time. So hiring a super VA isn't just about the skills, it's about the attitude. It's about really looking for someone that can act like a business partner, and it's priceless when you find someone like that. Number two is really the secret formula of making offshore staff work exactly how you want it. And one of the things is making sure that we create a full proof SOPs, standard operating procedures, to make sure that your business is solid. Because if we don't have that, then when you're hiring, it's going to be more work for us because we get thousands of questions a day. So every question has a process. Every question has a system, and everybody knows what to do and how to do it rather than reacting to the business. And it's very, very, very important. So There is ways for you to create SOPs, but now with ChatGPT, you can also go in ChatGPT on the left-hand side, go where it says explore GPTs, and in there you can find SOPs and really try to work with your team or working on all SOPs, creating FAQs on template responses that you had in the past. Just really create all the documents that are going to help the person succeed, rather than expect them to do it all, right? So do it with them, create all the things. You don't need to micromanage them. You don't need to do that, but train them to anticipate the issue and suggest solutions. So instead of saying, ask me if you are unsure, say, before coming to me, find 3 solutions, bring them the solutions, so then we can decide together which one is the best one. And I will train you on how to decide on those for the future too. So I don't ever say, ask me if you're not sure of something. I will say, if you're not sure, find out what are the 3 possible solutions to that and bring me the solution, and I will help you choose. And also every 90 days, do a meeting and like a performance review and see how you're going, see you working together, and review the processes as well, not just like let them go. Now, number 3 is how to build a team that feels like an extension of your brand. They're not just employees, they're not just your team members, they're like you on steroids. They're like clone of you or clone of one of your best staff members locally. So a lot of the time, the offshore team members fail to feel invested in the business because we didn't give them the task, like just the task, but not the bigger picture. So they fail because they don't understand what's next. They don't understand why I'm actually doing this. And so we need to really explain to them the whole bigger picture for them to succeed at that one small little task. No emotional connection to company growth. And by the way, I am like guilty of this as well. I've done this literally the other day with one of my team, and it was created such a confusion for everybody in the team and a little bit of stress as well. And I was like, I just didn't explain the behind the real reason why we're doing this. So good lesson to remember, even if you already know this, like me. And so like no emotional connection to the company growth. So really get them invested with some KPIs, with some bonuses, with some, like a celebration of, the wins that the business is getting together. And so fix all these things all together. So rather than try to again fix it yourself. So those are the things that when you are making them part of the team, they want to level up with you, they want to grow with you, they want to feel celebrated. So make sure that you celebrate birthdays and milestones and all those things. So Super VAs don't just complete tasks, they act as leaders in your business. Having clear procedures and accountability ensure that your staff work exactly like you expect, and your offshore team will be invested in your success when you do all those things. It's just impossible not to. So if you want a rockstar offshore team member, someone that really can take things off your shoulder and really help you run the business so that you can go on holidays like you deserve, then book a call and we can help you and support you to get your next superstar VA. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to see you at the conference in May. It's happening in Brisbane. If you haven't got your ticket, check it out because they're doing only once a year, and this is the time. I'll see you there. Thank you so much for listening to this amazing podcast. Now, if you enjoyed this, you're definitely going to love my Facebook group where I've got over 11,000 people in it, and they're all business owners successful like you. It's called the Successful Entrepreneur Lounge, and in there I do classes every week, and I get to interview my clients and I get to teach you all the things that I've done to get my business to 100K plus a month. So I look forward to have you in there. It's called the Successful Entrepreneur Lounge Facebook group in Facebook. I look forward to see you there. Ciao.